Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over this camera that I got. It's a little handy cam. It's the Sony DCR SR42. This thing's super dope. I wanted something that you could get that old school vibe, like VHS type video, without having to deal with the tapes and all that hassle. So I also didn't want to do the little recorder that people put on there for the SD and all that. This one's super simple to use. You just dock it, connect it to your computer, you just download the files. You do have to convert them, but it's so super simple to use. Really enjoyed using this. I took it out over the weekend for my girlfriend's birthday. We went to Disneyland. I made a quick little edit. Let me know what you think. I hope this is something that maybe inspire you to get into your film kit. I think this is a great addition, and it makes filming a lot of fun. I don't have to worry about making stuff look all cinematic. It just, it's just a vibe. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. Happy birthday.